How to control a bedbug problem in my home. Bedbugs are small oval brownish insects that live on the blood of animals or humans. Bedbugs may enter your home undetected through luggage, clothing, used beds and couches, and other items. Bedbugs do not have nests like ants or bees, but tend to live in groups in hiding places. Their initial hiding places are typically in mattresses, box springs, bed frames, and headboards where they have easy access to people to bite in the night. Clean and get rid of clutter, especially in your bedroom. Move your bed away from walls or furniture. Vacuum molding, windows and floors every day. Vacuum sides and seams of mattresses, box springs and furniture. Empty the vacuum or the bag immediately and dispose of outside in a sealed container or bag. Wash sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and bed skirts and put them in a hot dryer for at least 30 minutes. Consider using mattress and box spring covers, the kind used for dust mite control, and put duct tape over the zippers. Seal cracks and crevices and any openings where pipes or wires come into the home. Should I also try pesticides? Pesticides may not be effective and can be dangerous if used improperly. If you decide to use pesticides, follow these rules. Only use pesticides that are registered by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Look for the U.S. EPA registration number on the label and make sure they are labeled to control bedbugs. Do not use outdoor pesticides indoors.